Hey guys!
Nope.
Today, our Spanish friend in front of us and us are going to cross the border to Belgium. That's where we're going. So right now we're entering the highway that leads us to Brussels, you know, the capital of Europe and stuff, which is located in Belgium. What a coincidence. So close to the Netherlands. And our Spanish guy in front of us, he's got a long way home. Hope you get there well, my friend. Have a nice journey. Okay, so we're here on the highway and we're going straight. Let's look out of the window to enjoy a bit of Dutch nature as long as we are here. Great, look at this. What's up? Oh, and here we have our Spanish guy. Spanish guy, bye-bye. You know, hopefully he doesn't take stuff with him. But whatever, here we have trees and stuff. And a bridge that leads over the Dutch highway. And now in front of us there is, what is there? You know, tracks and the road and top GB Luft. Whatever that means. Als een bonuskaart erbij? No? No bonuskaart erbij? That would mean something with, yo. Do you have your bonus card with you? What am I even talking? Today we're going to Belgium and it's raining again. And in front of us we can see many windmills. You know, the Netherlands is the country of windmills and tulips and stuff. And that is great. A great sight. Yeah. We're now passing by the village of Hazeldonk or something like that. Hazeldonk, who doesn't know it? It's a famous town in the Netherlands, Hazeldonk. Yeah. And the border is coming closer and closer. Hazeldonk, this exit. And it's really hot. Even if it doesn't look like it's hot outside, it is really hot. Oh my goodness, I couldn't go to Southern Europe at this time of the year. And there we have the sign, Belgium, 1 kilometer. So we're going to Belgium. And we reach Belgium in 1 kilometer. Windmills. See the windmill? There's another one. Can you see the windmill? I can. Because I'm basically surrounded by windmills. That's when you know you're in the Netherlands. But now we're leaving the Netherlands and we're entering Belgium. Belgium now. Vlaanderen. 120 on the highway. Vlaanderen, I've been here already. So we're back in Vlaanderen. The provincie Antwerpen. Hey to welcome. And welcome in Belgium. You know? Let's look out of the window. Oh, look at this. The nature is gone and it's been replaced by a gas station with windmills in the back. So, efficient highway building here in Belgium. So yes, now we're in Belgium. What are we waiting for? I don't know. Let's film for 1 or 2 more moments so we can see what happens after you go from the Netherlands to Belgium. Used truck stop. Really cool here in Belgium. There's another sign telling us something about Belgium. It says meer. Whatever. Miracle. What a miracle. Zorgeloos opbergen. Yes. And what does this sign say? It says 43 kilometers to Antwerpen if we want to go there. Do we? I don't think so. Okay, I think this is going on for too long already. This video drags like a dragster. Okay, and yeah, well, with this we're going to end this video. And we say bye-bye and until the next video. Bye, truck.